Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the dolphins in Heartopia in the Whalefall Canyon area. So basically, you're going to want to talk to Oliver first and answer his phone call. This is just to unlock the cutscenes and the quests like that. Then you're going to head over to Whalefall Canyon and you're going to investigate the shadows that are lying on the ground. Then after that, you are going to talk to Rory and she's going to direct you to the Dolphins Trough. And just do that so you know where the trough is. I think it's the easiest way to unlock it. And then you can just find the trough in the animal tab. So the dolphins' favorite foods are the sardines, the scads, as well as the sea bass. So I only have three. I'm just going to feed it the rest of my fish's feed. And if you go to the animals area, it says here their favorite foods are sea bass and scad. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!